Welcome to the Ground Football. Kindly subscribe, like, and share. And as you already do, leave your comment below for more updates in the world of football. A whole lot have been happening to Manchester United within this week. In Manchester United yesterday, when the Ground Football checked their shares in the stock market, it was dropping drastically. Manchester United shares have fell more than 20% after the weekend report that the Glazer family were going to take the club off the market. The share price closed at 23.66 US dollars on Friday and dropped as low as 18.83 on Tuesday. That was yesterday. The New York Stock Exchange was closed on Monday because it was a Labor Day in the United States. We are now currently in the mid of the biggest sell-off since United went to public on 11 years ago, with the previous record dropping at 13.8% on March 12, 2020. It is currently down 19.6% in the value. The value of the club has fell as much as £550 million on Tuesday. The cap market is recently at £3 billion, and that's how much Manchester United or the Glazer family will get in case they want to sell off Manchester United. But the Glazers are expecting as twice as much than the cap market, meaning what the stock exchange says Manchester United is valued at. The Glazers said no, they want twice of that, which is quite unimaginable. That how can you sell it like that? Meanwhile, Manchester United is having a lot of losses in the market. They have lots of losses, a lot of debts to cover, but Manchester United Glazers are expecting to sell Manchester United for a fee of £6 billion. The offers to buy the club from Kasim and Jim Wycliffe valued Manchester United closer to £5 billion instead of the £6 billion the Glazers were expecting. The share price has dropped by almost 30% since 12 months high in February. So it shows that Manchester United is dropping. But why has this drastical change or drastical drop happened? A Mail on Sunday reports a claim that the Glazers are planning to take off Manchester United off the market, plan of putting the club back for sale in 2025, when they believe their valuation of the club is expected to grow to £7 billion to £10 billion in the next 3 years to come. Those involving in the process, which including the Merchant Bank, Rain, takeover taken over by Sheikh Kazim and Sir Jim Wycliffe, are still in the process and the talks are still taking over. Sheikh Kazim and Sir Jim Wycliffe were only serious bidders by the end of the takeover process, but they fell short in the valuation of the Glazers' set price. The ground sports understand that they wanted £6 billion, which is quite unimaginable to sell the club that price. One of Manchester United's very own, um, Gary Neville, said on the morning that Manchester United play Arsenal that I believe the Glazers are not selling, doing anything story. They have to do something. They have to run out. They've run out of money and financial situation is desperate. They need investment in. They also have a toxic impact on the club from inside out. Negligence continue from now, but I do not think it can go on without some action of raising funds. Also, who would come in as a minority alongside them with the damage it could do to their reputation? So most of Manchester United fans and even the old players are not happy with this ongoing. And how can you sell something and plan to remove it from the stock market? Meanwhile, you're not running any profit. If you see the debt Manchester United is owing is quite outrageous. And if you know a little bit about stock, always we buy stock when it's at its lowest price in the market. So when Manchester United put their team back on for sales, it shoot the market price of Manchester United. So everybody was thinking that it will rise more after it was being bought by either Sir Wycliffe or Sheikh Kazim. And meanwhile, the report on Sunday is saying that they are no more selling. And definitely, people will remove their money. Nobody want to run at loss. So that's why the depreciation was happening um, rapidly. That nobody is running at loss because we all thought that you're gonna sell the club, which we all gonna benefit as fans and as financial support, and which will reflect in our banks. But you're saying, hey, I'm not selling it anymore. So meaning that if I keep my money there, I'm gonna run at loss. Nobody want to do that. So that caused the fall of Manchester United shares in the stock price. Do you think still we should maintain the Glazers or they should move out of Manchester United? Kindly subscribe, like, and share for more updates in the world of football. Thank you.